What's up, guys? Bang, bang. Is the Bitcoin bear market over? Well, we're about to find out. Bitcoin is on the precipice of closing 4 straight months up in the green. Never in the history of Bitcoin, after 4 months up, has Bitcoin set a new low. And so that must signal that the Bitcoin bear market is over if we are to follow that historical trend. Time will tell. Not only that though, we also see that the legacy banking system is still in deep, deep trouble. First Republic Bank, they're trading like a shitcoin, literally down more than 50% in a single day this past week. That is major trouble for a large bank. We already saw the second and third largest bank failures in US history earlier this year, and if First Republic Bank was to fail as well, that would be 3 of the top 5 bank failures in US history, all within a 4-month period. That's not good. At the same time that the banks are under trouble, we know that the Federal Reserve has hiked interest rates aggressively at the fastest pace in history. And now people believe they may either pause or start to cut rates going in towards the end of the year. Stanley Druckenmiller, one of the best investors in the world, he's short the US dollar to try to benefit if they actually do cut rates. If Stanley's right and the dollar is depreciating and he makes money on a short, Bitcoin probably will go to the moon. On top of that, Stanley Druckenmiller is not the only one who's in on this trade. Ted Cruz, the politician out of Texas, he loves Bitcoin. Why does he love Bitcoin? He says he loves it because the Chinese hate it, literally.
Listen, I like Bitcoin for the same reason that the Chinese Communist government doesn't like Bitcoin. They don't like Bitcoin and they banned it because they can't control it. By the way, I would note, and you guys asked me to be nonpartisan, but I'm just going to observe, China hates Bitcoin for the same reason Elizabeth Warren hates Bitcoin. Because they both want to control it. And it comes down to fundamentally, do you want the government in charge of everyone's money?
If you think about all of the things that a centralized communist party stands for, it's anti-Bitcoin. And so, in some regards, Bitcoin is freedom technology. And if you like freedom, if you like democracy, if you like capitalism and free markets, you're probably gonna like Bitcoin. That's Ted Cruz's standpoint. But let me just put your mind in a blender for a quick second. The United States likes Bitcoin, but the US banks are under trouble. And we also see that there's all kinds of abrasive regulation for Bitcoin and the crypto industry. And so that makes it very interesting that Hong Kong is opening up their banking system and they're trying to solicit all of these crypto companies to come set up accounts there. If the United States is going to be hostile to this industry and China, Hong Kong, and other places in Asia open up their banking system, that is a cocktail for a disaster. We don't need that to happen. That's it for this week. I hope that you all enjoy these updates. I'll see you next Saturday.